Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel at Spicy C. So here today I've ordered another women's innerwear, and this is a brand from Dressberry. It's a women's padded bra. Okay, so let's see. And the material is a thick pad, okay, pure cotton. It's a thick pad, pure cotton, and it has good elasticity, so you can remove the pads when you want and when you can use it. So it's totally soft and it has good elasticity. So guys, this is a white color, so you get it in various colors like white, black and beige color. So these are the three colors which are available in this kind of bra. Till then, take care and subscribe.